one is called Somebody's Watching Me by Rockwell. Now, I wish we were in the studio because I could actually have some of us playing the lead, which goes like this. And that would just loop through the whole thing. That's called an ostinato, and it's a series of notes that repeat over and over and over again throughout the song. Pretty much all hip hop's based on ostinatos now. And that little creepy nee, 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 nee is kind of what makes the song sort of sound like Thriller. But the other skill that we're going to work on, since we can't play two things at once, is called the island strum. All right. Now, what's nice about it is you can do it or not do it, because during the verse line and chorus lines where you see a slash in the chord, that means you're going to play the down, down, up on one chord and the up, down, up on the other chord. For example, A minor is a regular down, down, up, down, up. But then we have a D minor F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. D minor 2. Yeah, so all we're doing is taking that third finger off. Now, what's neat is you don't even have to do the island strum. You can just go down, down, up, and right to F. And back to A minor. And instead of adding F, you just go right to G. Or you can go A minor, and then F, F, G, 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 F, F, G, 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 F, F, D, G, G, G. So what's cool is the two downs are the F, and the up, up, down, up are the Gs. So it'd be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. If you're able to break up that island strum, it gives a little extra harmonic push to it. But if you want to just go straight to the second chord in the island strum, a broken island strum, you can totally do that. All right. So you'll get the feel for it as you go along. And I'm just going to start going into it. Now, the lyrics, I'm not expecting you to know for sure because it's a weird rappy thing, but then the chorus line is a lot of fun to sing along to. So here we go. We're going to do this A minor F G broken island strum 8 times before the verse comes in. 1, 2, ready, go. Tell me who's watching. Tell me who's watching me. Who's watching? Tell me who's watching me. Here we go. I'm just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5. Hey, heck, I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? I always feel like somebody's watching me. I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I got no privacy. Whoa, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Who's playing tricks on me? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I got no privacy. Whoa, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, who can it be? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I got no privacy. Whoa, I always feel like somebody's watching me, playing tricks on me. So that's a really super fun song by Rockwell, Michael Jackson, and Quincy Jones, which was released in the mid 80s as a follow-up to Thriller. And it's a great kazoo one. So I just had to like rip out the kazoos that our friend Shelly was kind enough to donate to us many moons ago. And you should always have a kazoo handy when you're playing ukuleles, especially at Halloween. So the next tune is called Oh Death. So this